learned something a while back, and it is, do not save your best clothes for a specific time. Wear your best clothes every day.
Let's fly away, just you and me. I need a little break from the city. It's been so long since we've been gone.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to 86 Ambrosia. It's your girl Jen, that's with one J and two N's, and this is my YouTube channel. If you guys are new here and this is your first time ever clicking on a vlog by your girl Jen, welcome and thank you so very much for clicking on that thumbnail that brought you into this collective haul featuring Gucci, Target, the Banana Republic, and the Banana Republic factory. So guys, I'm super excited because if you have been rocking out with your girl Jen, then you know I have officially gone back to work. Teachers reported back to school last week, and so although we don't have students yet, you guys know I say this to you all the time, regardless of where I'm going and regardless of what the task is, I'm always wanting to visualize my highest self and show up as that girl every single day. And so I'm excited that I actually got a little bit of a jump start on my fall wardrobe, some very staple pieces for my capsule wardrobe, and also I'm excited because these pieces are ones I can wear now that it's still summer and they'll transition effortlessly into the fall. Now before we actually jump into this haul and I share with you the pieces that I've picked up, I do want to say thank you so very much for taking the survey. As you can see, my vlogs are now going live on Sundays after 4 o'clock, and that is because you guys took the time to actually answer the poll and let me know what was most convenient for you. Now I do have many of you guys that wanted it to go live at 12, some of you all on different days, but I went with the general consensus. But I thank all of you guys so much for your continued support as your girl Jen is growing here on YouTube, as we are all visualizing our highest self and learning ways to show up as her every day. All right, so jumping right into it, guys, I have on this super cute little knit brown, this little cocoa brown dress that I got from the Banana Republic factory. It does come in several colors, which you'll see if you really like this little dress, but this particular color is a final sale dress, so just keep that in mind, that this is one of those ones that if you buy it because it's on sale and then it's extra percentage off, you're not going to be able to send it back. But getting into this dress, guys, I absolutely think she looks so good on me. So what I've done is I've taken my belt bag that I got from the Banana Republic and I've actually put it around my waist up high, and I pulled it relatively tight because what I wanted to do is I really wanted to cinch that waist in to really flatter or be flattering to my shape. And I absolutely love the way that this little look came out. And then paired with this little dress, I have on these super cute little Liella sandals that I did get from DSW. All of this will be linked together, and I just think that this whole little look truly came together, and I feel so sharp yet very comfortable because these shoes, if I've not said it before on my channel, are some of the most comfortable sandals that I think that I own, and this makes it perfect to be able to have on a heel and be walking around as a teacher without feeling like my foot will be sore or begin to hurt. Now paired with this little look, I have my Gucci Ophidia tote that I just recently got maybe about a month and a half ago. I took it with me when I went to Los Cabos, so I got her as a travel bag, but I also wanted to be able to use her as my teacher bag simply because it will allow me to put my laptop, my keys, my sunglasses, my lunch bag, and my purse all inside, so that as I'm going in and out of the building, I don't have to worry about carrying things in my hand. All I have to do is just put this little tote on my shoulder and grab my little Yeti cup that's pink and just be like, good morning. You had a good weekend? Yeah. So next up, guys, I am really into the satin dresses. Like, oh my gosh, I think this is probably dress number 5 or 6 that I have at this point, because I think that they are just so complimentary to pretty much any shape. I really can't think of a shape that couldn't pull off a satin dress. And then also you'll be able to style these so many different ways. Like, you don't have to put her away when it begins to get cold outside, because you can put on a heavier blazer, you can do her with a sweater, you can do her with a button up or a long sleeve underneath, and just be so chic, maximizing these little satin dresses. So the dress that I have on here came from the Banana Republic factory. And then the blazer that I have on is a linen blend blazer. You guys have seen it here on my channel if you've caught pretty much all of my vlogs. I got her at the beginning of the summer. Now I will say, of course, if I'm going on date night or if I'm going out with the girls after, you know, work, some of my little teacher friends, then I can just take the blazer off and still be super, super cute. The shoes that I have on actually came from Shein, and I just recently got a white pair that I absolutely love just as much as I love these little barely there sandals. They're kitten heels, so they're the perfect height to walk around in, and they're just, like I said, barely there, so you don't have to worry about the shoe distracting from the outfit. Now I was considering actually taking this little dress to the tailor, having that dress come in because it's a little boxy. I really like her, but she's a little boxy, and so I really lost my waistline in this particular number. So I'm going to do one or two things. Either I'm going to take her to the tailor, have her taken in very, very nicely in that waist and really have her give me that nice hourglass look, or I'm probably going to invest in another Gucci belt, one that's thinner, that I can wear with a multitude of looks. So I have some options to take away or decrease the boxy look, but other than that, this slip dress is just perfection. So in sticking with the slip dresses or the little satin dresses, I have on a black one. This one is cut a little differently because the first one I had on it, or the one I just showed you, has a cow neck, so it sort of drapes inward, if you notice that. This one is just simply a V-neck, and I think black, ooh, you guys know how much I love black. It just looks so good. So what I was telling you a minute ago with the champagne colored satin dress, what I've done is I've taken my Gucci belt and I've put it on so that it cinches in my waist and it brings that dress in, gives me a nice hourglass shape. And then I put it on with my blazer that I love so much with the little sailor buttons. I rolled up the sleeves, grabbed my YSL Matcha Lace chain shoulder bag, and bam! I think I look good. Yeah, I really like this look, and I love how it came together. I think it is very, very sharp, and I'm super pleased with it. Now, somebody might be saying like, sis, that's a little dressy. I wouldn't wear that to work. I'd probably wear that at the cocktail hour, you know, my brunch, something with the girls. But let me tell you something, right? I learned something a long time ago. Well, it wasn't that long ago, but I learned something a while back, and it is, do not save your best clothes for a specific time. Wear your best clothes every day. But the idea is, regardless of where I'm going, I am going to be my best self, and I'm going to put on my best. That doesn't mean your church clothes. It don't mean walk around with a sequins dress on. That means as I'm shopping and as I'm filling my wardrobe, the pieces that I wear most often are going to be my best pieces for the occasion, which for me, for example, it is going to work. So this black dress, though it will be dressy to other people who may just put on a pair of khakis and a button up, and they say, oh girl, you doing too much with that little satin dress on. For you, but for me, I'm my best self. Woo! I felt that. I'm my best self, and what my best self is and what your best self is may be different, and that is what? Okay. Ooh. Now, if there was ever a time to be feeling myself, I really, really like this little number that I have on, and I love the way it paired together. So up top, I have this really cute little satin / chiffon top from the Banana Republic factory. I got that from the Banana Republic factory, so it is on sale. And of course, like I said, you will be able to follow my link to see all of these links put together, and then to see the different pieces individually. And paired with this top, I have on these faux leather off-white pants that I got from Target that I featured last week in my Target haul. So if you missed my Target haul, I'm definitely going to link it down in the description box, because I found some super cute pieces there, especially in the pants. Wow, I found some amazing pieces from Target recently. Now, I really like this little look. It definitely screams my style because it's super classy, it's super classic, it's super chic. it's not structured in that the pants, you know, I sized up in them, and then the top is kind of slouchy, but having tucked the top in and then put on this little Gucci belt with the heel and my little Matcha Lace shoulder bag, I just think that the look together is so super cute. Especially because I have this pop of color in the bag. Now, if you've been vibing out with your girl Jen, then you know I love the rich auntie vibes. I am an auntie. I do not have any children of my own, so I just really connect with the mindset of being a rich auntie. You know, I'm there if they need me, but I don't have any crumb snatchers of my own. And I say that with love, right? I say that with a lot of love because I love children, of course. But I'm saying that to say that this little look here that I have is so super chic. She's so classic. She's so Audrey Hepburn. Is that the lady's name I'm trying to think of? Oh my gosh, she's just everything, right? This would have not been my style a few years ago because I would have imagined that having a skirt this length, this flowy is grandma-ish or older lady-ish, but that's not what it's giving at all. It's giving me, not only am I about my business, but that I think very highly of myself in a good way. And I just, yeah, thinking about how I structured the top by tying her up, kind of making her into a crop top, putting on this waist bag that I got from the Banana Republic, the skirt that came from the Banana Republic factory. I didn't say the top came from Shein, and then putting on my little Gucci Ace B sneakers. I just think that this look is truly a vibe, and I was so excited to turn in the mirror and actually look at myself, look at how my style has evolved. And that is the purpose of this, for me to evolve in styling myself. And then I'm so glad to have you guys on this journey with me as you guys are telling me that your style is evolving and you're seeing your personal aesthetic grow. Now, I do know that this may not be everyone's style. Some people will prefer a midi or a pencil skirt. But one thing that I love about this is on those days when I don't want to put on something that's laid close to the body, maybe it's that time of month, you know, and I want to be very relaxed, very casual, very comfy. I just feel like looks like this just, again, screams elevation, screams of visualizing my highest self, and just looks very well put together and very expensive. So I am definitely feeling my very last look. So with that, guys, it actually brings us to the end of this collective try on featuring Gucci, the Banana Republic, the Banana Republic factory, and a little bit of Target. I hope that you have enjoyed this little try on, seeing how I pieced this together, especially if you've been rocking out with me and some of these pieces are familiar to you because you've seen them once or twice so far. Guys, if you have enjoyed this vlog, make sure you go ahead right now and smash the like button. And if you are new here, and especially if you made it to this point in the vlog, guys, don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you as a part of the 86 Ambrosia family. Guys, leave me a comment below and let me know which looks were you vibing with, which ones spoke to you the most. Let me know down in the comment section. But guys, again, I thank you so much for being you. Because you're you, I'm definitely able to be me. So guys, I thank you again for rocking out with your girl Jen, and until I catch you in my next vlog video, I will see you in my next vlog. Bye guys.